Hello, welcome to this video for the NetPicks Forex Keltner Bells. So you might be asking yourself, what is this NetPicks Forex Keltner Bells? Well, this is all about Forex swing trading, and most importantly, Forex swing trading in 10 minutes a day or less. And so what I wanted to do in this video today was kind of introduce to you this concept and this strategy that we've been having really excellent success with since we introduced it back last year in 2011. Now, if you're familiar at all with day trading, especially day trading Forex, you know it can be a total drag. You know what I'm saying. Real day trading takes hours per day or night. It's a lot of stress. It's high effort. There's a lot of worries that goes into it. You know, you've got all kinds of worries when you day trade, from pip spreads to making mistakes to stop running. It's really, really difficult. It doesn't mean it's not worth doing, but real day trading takes effort. Now, there's a reason that there are so many fake day trading systems out there, because the obvious thing is it's not going to be easy, and nobody likes to offer to you something that says, hey, you're going to have to work at this. So there's all kinds of fake day trading solutions out there. I call it the Forex Dancer with a heart of gold. And what that is, I just got an email just this week. And these are some of the headlines from this ex-dancer uses hidden guru software and makes up to $747,000 per month with just one-click trading. You can read the rest here. After just a few weeks of this, I knew I never needed to work again. I was set for life. Well, as you all know in this area, there's a lot of huge claims like this. Notorious Generation EA holds up all winning trades for ransom for $91,000 in profit. And here's another one who just is reeling in $1 million worth of profit, and they don't even know anything, and they're proud of it. You're about to get the software capable of doubling or tripling your account balance in just a few days. All you need to do is click a button, right? Everybody wants to click a button and be rich. So you have to think about that. There's a reason why we all realize that, okay, can we be successful day trading Forex? Yes, but it is a lot of work and effort. And there's a reason a whole industry has been spawned trying to show you or prove to you or sell you and really lie to you that it can be done by pushing a button. The reality is it can't. And that's really where swing trading comes in. And that's what's so beautiful about swing trading with the NetPicks Keltner Bells. We call it snapshot trading. And what snapshot trading is, that I'm going to show you here in a moment, is you just need to take 5 minutes, and really some days less, checks of the market every 24 hours, and you're done. So if you can do that, if you can check the market once for 5 minutes or less, and 12 hours later or thereabouts, check it one more time, you literally can swing trade the Forex, and you don't need to have this fake push button software that we just talked about. You can really trade with a real proven system. So how can the Keltner Bells help you? It's flexible to your schedule. You spend just minutes setting your trades anytime during the day, and then come back later and to see if it's completed. You can literally trade this from anywhere in the world. And this is really important to me because I travel a lot. I cannot day trade when I travel. It's just too difficult, whether it's technical issues, whether it's I just don't want to. I mean, these were some of the places that I was at over the last summer. You know, this is just not the kind of places where I want to go ahead and have to day trade. However, I do need to trade. I need to kind of keep my trades going. And swing trading is perfect for this because all I really needed to have was internet access. So that's really the essential thing. So this is all about having real trading, taking sniper aim on the big trades. Again, when you day trade, right, a lot of times you go for 5 pips, 10 pips. It's really hard, challenging trading. It doesn't mean it can't be done, but just realize it's very, very different than when you swing trade and you're going for, like what we say, the real meal. 100 pip moves, 150 pip moves, 200 pip trade moves. When you have that, you don't have to worry about pip spreads any longer. And in addition, you know, one of the downsides to swing trading a lot in the past has always been it can get very dull and boring. And if you're like me, you know, you want to trade, but you have to have a little bit of action going on to make it interesting. One thing I really like a lot about the NetPicks Keltner Bells is the fact that I really have something to do each and every day. But each and every day, it's only going to take me a few minutes. So I think this would be a perfect time to jump over to the charts, just give you a couple quick examples of what it's like as a NetPicks Keltner Bells trader, what you're going to see during that, what we call snapshot, and then all you need to do at that time. And then you come back in hours later and see how the trade has progressed for you. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me switch over to the charts. And in this short video, I wanted to give you an update of performance since our last release of the Keltner Bells back in October, middle of October 2012. And I'm recording this on January 16th, 2013. So Happy New Year to everybody. And what I wanted to do is sort of take you through how we've been doing since the last release of the Keltner Bells, kind of show you maybe a bit what perhaps you've missed out on over the last 90 days, but also what you can have to look forward to over the next 90 days if you go ahead and get started with the Keltner Bells during this short release of the system and the training. So what you see on your screen here is the results over the last 90 days through a variety of popular currency pairs, and you can see overall we picked up 6,390 pips combined on the various currency pairs that we track. And the real key to remember, as you'll learn about with the Keltner Bells, is we do all of this in just minutes per day. This is true swing trading. So this is not about day trading and having to spend, most of your life, your waking life, and sometimes your sleeping life attempting to trade Forex. So the Euro New Zealand here, which picked up 1,449 pips, our top performer over the last 90 days, all of this was done literally just taking what we call snapshots of the market a few minutes per day, and then after that walking away and letting the market do whatever the market is going to do, because you always have structure on your chart. You have exact entry price, exact target, and anytime you have a stop, you have an exact stop. Nothing left to chance, no discretion, no subjectivity. All you do is place your trades based upon what you see on the chart, and you can see the performance. Euro US dollar, 932 pips. Pound CAD, really good performer lately, 811 pips. The Euro CAD, 724 pips, all the way down. We literally had 11 of our 12 markets ending very positive during this time. It only had one negative of all 12 markets. Very consistent top performance, and you can see just how high the averages get over a short amount of time. So I'm sure for you looking at this, this is probably something you would really have loved to have had in your own personal account. But what I want to do is I'm going to go to the chart now, and I want to show you how straightforward this is and how you can replicate these exact same trades in your account going forward with the Keltner Bells. So let's go to the chart. Right, so we're looking at, in this case, the Euro US dollar. Obviously a very popular pair, and it's been a very good performer for us, though we trade a number of different pairs. And this is, you're watching this on TradeStation, but we also trade this on a variety of platforms, including, I'm sure a lot of you are on MetaTrader, which is great. Fully compatible with MetaTrader as well as NinjaTrader, TradeStation. You can trade on any broker in the world. You can place your trade, so no restrictions on that. Just so you know. But look what's really neat about this. We get a short setup right here, and we'll teach you, how to identify these setups. It's all exactly plotted on your screen, and we get everything we need. We get an exact what we call short entry, which is 1.3248, an exact ST, which is the short target, 1.3158, an exact initial stop of 1.3308. So you have nothing left to chance. You know exactly what you're going to do when you come in the morning, and that's what happened right here where this bar plots magenta. That's where I come in the morning. I just look back at my chart and I see, okay, hey, I've got a short trade. I'm going to place that exactly as written. So I go ahead and place the trade to sell at 1.3248, and we end up going short. Now here's the real key and the secret. That takes me under a minute to identify and place that trade. After that, I'm going for 90 pips. This isn't trying to scalp out 5 pips and hoping for the best and having all that spread cost worries. I'm going for 90 pips. These are big moves. But even better, I don't need to now stay around. This is true place the trade and walk away. And as you can see, throughout the session, several hours, the trade went right down to profit target and we picked up 90 pips. Again, 1 minute to place the trade. The rest of the time is not spent monitoring the market. The rest of the time is you spend doing whatever else it is that you do during the day and night, not trying to dwell and take all your time focusing on trading Forex. Let's go ahead and look at a buy trade to show you how it's exactly the same as a short. So we've got here a buy trade, just came a few days later. This was actually January 4th, so just a few days ago for me. And once again, total structure, right? A complete roadmap on the chart. It tells me to buy at 1.3048. It says get out, take your profits at 1.3138, an initial stop at 1.2988. But the really neat thing is we very quickly reduce the risk on all trades. As soon as they start to break our way, we'll show you how you can cut the risk in half, and many times we trade risk-free trades where it's just the target or a break even, or just the full target, and worst case locking in 20 or 30 pips. So that's what's really neat about the system, and you only have to make those updates when you check it just a few minutes each day. So this ends up triggering, and we end up going long, and now I'm not watching the market. I'm going to come in when you see the blue plot right here. This is about 12 hours later. Just at night, I like to take a quick peek at my trades, and all I need to do is say, okay, I'm in the buy. Did look like it was favorable for a while, kind of pulled back a little bit to about break even. Nothing for me to do. That takes 5 seconds to look at the chart and know there's nothing for you to do. So the whole overnight happens. You don't need to be monitoring this, waking yourself up, wondering. You just get up in the morning right here at the magenta and you look at it and you go, okay, I'm still long. I haven't hit target yet. There's no reason to change. We just carry on. Another time goes by, another 12 hours, and you can see, right, sometimes the Forex takes time. The great thing about this, 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds to check, and about a minute to place your trade. Now at this point, I know I'm very close to the full target. We actually teach you how to raise the stop up. We would actually raise the stop up here and locked in about 30 pips on this trade. Very mechanical, the rules, in order to do that. So now I know worst case is target or 30 pips, and shortly thereafter, full target. Not once did I stay up overnight. Not once did I spend the entire day trading. Not once did I have to treat this like a day trade in order to get the performance that we're discussing. There is to it. Obviously, we teach you everything in the system. Very straightforward, simple to follow, quick to learn. We've been doing this for quite some time now. A proven strategy through 2011, 2012, and now in 2013. So make sure that you watch the upcoming videos. Make sure you join me in the live webinar that's coming up, where I share a lot more about the Keltner-Bell strategy, kind of show you a number of the other currency pairs, and really transform, which is our objective, your trading over the next 90 days. Thanks for listening. Back with you soon. Great success in your trading as well.